In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CNAME record in GoDaddy. A CNAME or canonical name record lets you point one host name to another host name. It's commonly used to connect a subdomain like www or blog to a service provider's address, or to verify a domain with a third-party tool. The key idea is that a CNAME must point to a host name, not an IP address, and it can't be used on the root of your domain. Start by signing into your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, open the account menu by clicking your profile in the top corner. From there, choose My Products to see everything you own in this account. In the Products view, find the Domain section and select Domains. Then choose Manage All. This takes you to the Portfolio view where you can manage DNS for each domain you control. Locate the domain where you want to add the CNAME and open its DNS settings by clicking DNS. You'll land on the DNS management page, which lists all existing records for that domain. Take a quick look to make sure you're not duplicating a record that already exists under the same name. Next, click the Add New Record button. In the Type dropdown, select CNAME. Double check that you've chosen CNAME specifically. This is different from AAA, or TXT records, and each serves a different purpose. Now fill in the record details. In the name field, enter the subdomain label you want to point, such as www, blog, or a verification label provided by a service. Do not include the full domain here, just the label. In the value field, paste the destination host name exactly as given by your provider, for example, something like target.examplehost.com. It should end with a dot in some systems, but GoDaddy handles that automatically, so just enter the host name as provided. For TTL, the default setting is typically fine. If a service recommends a specific TTL, use that. Otherwise, 1 hour is a good balance between responsiveness and stability. When everything looks correct, click Save. If you've added more than one new record in this session, choose Save All Records to confirm them together. That's it. Your CNAME is now configured. DNS updates don't happen instantly across the internet, so allow some time for propagation. Often a few minutes, but it can take longer depending on caches and TTL. After waiting, your connected service should recognize the change automatically. If it doesn't, review the name and value for typos and confirm you didn't try to place a CNAME on the root of the domain. You've successfully added a CNAME in GoDaddy.